In the second part of my Turon video, I'll be showing you how to make a healthier version of the traditional Filipino street snack. If you haven't watched it yet, check out part 1, where I go over the health effects of the traditional ingredients and the benefits of the healthier ones I use here in this video. Hey fam, did you eat yet? It's Melissa here of Flippin. I'm passionate about food and ensuring others are well fed. My cousin and I, we joke about how our Filipino family's love language can be summed up in the question, did you eat yet? As part of the hotel industry for 7 years, my goal was to make sure our guests were fat and happy. At my job, I enjoyed indulging with them in all types of cuisines until my world was flipped upside down in 2017. I was diagnosed with lupus, a chronic autoimmune disease that causes inflammation and pain throughout my entire body. I discovered that the food I grew up eating was contributing to my autoimmune symptoms, and I needed to make a change. I also saw that my family was suffering from other chronic diseases as well, such as diabetes, hypertension or high blood pressure, and many other ailments, all of which were linked to the foods we ate. Here on my channel, I'll be flipping traditional, less healthy recipes into clean, nutritious meals bursting with flavors while still remaining authentic and delicious, starting with the Filipino meals I grew up with. I don't want to make you fat and happy, so instead, we're going to make everything flippin' happy. So here we have the ingredients we're going to use to make our flipped turon recipe. We have our fresh plantains, frozen jackfruit, the coconut wraps that we're going to wrap them in, monk fruit sweetener, and coconut oil. Let's get started. First, take a plantain and cut off the ends. Next, using your knife, carefully make a slit down one side of the plantain in order to remove the peel. Then, cut the plantain in half. Next, cut the plantain into thirds lengthwise. Repeat on the other half for a total of 6 pieces. Fry the plantains in a pan for about 1 minute on each side. Flip once they turn golden yellow. Set the cooked plantains on a paper towel lined plate to cool and absorb the excess oil. Take the jackfruit that has already been defrosted and cut it into thin strips, about 1/4 of an inch. Next, take the coconut wrap and place it on a flat surface like a diamond. Place 1 plantain slice towards the middle of the diamond and top with 1 to 2 jackfruit strips lengthwise. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you how to take your turon to the next level with a little hazelnut cacao spread. Fold the bottom end of the wrapper over the filling and roll it over once. Tightly but gently fold the side ends inward to meet in the middle over the filling and roll into a log. Make sure there are no gaps. When you get to the end, Wet the pointed edge of the wrapper with water to completely seal the roll. Next, lightly brush the spring rolls with coconut oil on both sides. Then sprinkle it with monk fruit sweetener so that it will form that caramel coating around the wrapper once it's all done. Bake at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 to 5 minutes total. Flip the roll after 2.5 minutes or until they are golden brown. Be sure to keep an eye on them as the coconut oil tends to burn fast. Once done, the turon should be golden brown on both sides with a touch of caramelization. For a little added twist, sometimes I like to put a layer of hazelnut cacao spread to sandwich between the plantain and the jackfruit before rolling them up. Chocolate? Hazelnuts? Bananas? I mean, come on now. Bangin'! This hazelnut cacao spread by Artisana is by far a cleaner version of Nutella and tastes just as good. It contains organic hazelnuts, organic coconut sugar, organic cacao powder, organic coconut MCT oil, and organic vanilla extract, all clean ingredients. This is my Flippin' happy version of Turon using heart-healthy coconut wraps. I find that the coconut actually complements the plantains and jackfruit really well and even accentuates those island flavors of the Philippine cuisine even more. Did I just invent something here? Sometimes there's this misconception that being healthy means we have to eat bland and boring food. I'm here to show you that's not necessarily true. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to discover the ways I'm flipping traditional recipes into healthier, cleaner meals for you and your family. If you found this recipe helpful and delicious, please like, share, and add your comments on this video. Kain na tayo!